All right, so firstly, let's import the Kivy app, the Kivy screen manager and screen, and then also the Kivy builder as well, the language builder. And then we're gonna create a class, the login screen, sign up screen, and also our additional screen, which can be whatever you wanted. For this tutorial, we'll just call it the chat screen. And we can also have our main app class. Now within our main app class, there is a method that we can include, which is the build method. Now this method is called automatically. So let's ensure that we use screen manager, and then screen manager, we add all the screens in it. And each screen, we must make sure to give it a name so that we can be able to navigate to it. Now let's return the screen manager. All right. And now finally, let's run the application. As you can see, it is just a blank screen, nothing interesting. This is where now we need to actually load our KV file. Now, how do we do this? So firstly, we need to load the KV file. So let's firstly create this. Let's go back to our folder, right click, create new text document and name it main.kv. All right, we have it. Now let us load our file. Okay, so now that we have that, now let's go on and design our app within this KV file. So firstly, let's work on our login screen. So our login screen, of course, we already have in mind how we want it to look like. So we're going to use a box layout with an orientation of vertical. Let's put some spacings as well. Let's give it a label, which is the login. Let's have also our text input, where one can put in their email and also their password as well. Okay, let's put in also our buttons. So we can have a login button, and then we can also now have a sign up button. So when you press the login button, it should take you to the, to your main screen. And then if you press, the sign up button, it should take you to the sign up screen. So let's work now on the sign up screen. Also, we can just use the same style. Label, email, password inputs, then have a button for create account, then back to login button. Okay, amazing. All right, then we can also then have our additional screen. You can call it whatever. In this case, I'm just calling it the chat screen. Let me just put some random stuff on it. Okay, amazing. Now we finally have a UIX design that is working